In this video, you'll learn how to create a free design agency website using WordPress and Elementor. The process is straightforward and will guide you through the necessary steps to set up your site effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com homepage. Look for the option labeled Sites at the top of the page. This section allows you to manage your existing sites or create a new one. Once you click on Sites, you will be directed to a page displaying your current sites and the option to create. Next, locate and click on the button that says Create with AI. This feature is designed to assist you in building your website quickly. After clicking, you will see a message indicating that the system is laying the foundations for your new site. This message confirms that the AI is preparing to generate your website. Once this message appears, you will need to wait for the AI to load. A loading indicator may be visible, reflecting that the system is processing your request. Patience is required here, as the duration of this step may vary based on your internet speed. After the loading process, you will see a prompt stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This is where you begin to define the characteristics of your site. You will be guided to type in a description or title for your design agency website. Type in "Create a free design agency website" in the designated field. This input helps the AI understand the type of website you wish to create. Following this, click on the Enter key to proceed. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your input has been received. You will then see a message from WordPress.com confirming that it can create a free design agency website. This message serves as an assurance that the AI is ready to assist you further. Next, type in the choice given above in the provided field and press Enter again. Make sure to double check your input for accuracy. At this point, you will receive another prompt asking you to specify the title of your website. This title will be displayed in the Browser tab. Type in the name you have chosen for your site and click Enter once more. This step is crucial as it reflects your brand identity. Following this, a message will prompt you to provide a short tagline or description that will appear in search results and social previews. This tagline is important for SEO purposes, so consider what best represents your agency. Type in your tagline and click Enter to confirm your entry. Continue by clicking on the button labeled Create My Site. This action signals to the system that you're ready to finalize your website setup. You may see a temporary message indicating that your site is being brewed. This is a good moment to be patient as the setup process continues. You'll be prompted to click on Please wait, your site is brewing. This message reassures you that the system is actively working on your website. Again, waiting is necessary here, as the time taken can vary based on server load and your internet connection. Next, you will need to wait for the system to generate your website. A loading message may appear indicating that the process is underway. Depending on the complexity of the site and your internet speed, this could take a few moments. As the generation process continues, you may see a message stating that this might take a while. This reminder is standard and encourages you to remain patient while the AI compiles the elements of your new site. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.